Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that's going to change the way you create 3D models. Whether you are a 3D artist, a designer, or just someone who loves experimenting with new tech, this tool is a game changer. So, what's this all about? Well, imagine being able to turn your sketch, image, or even text prompts into fully realized 3D models in just a few clicks. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what this tool called Backflip AI does. Now, if you are a 3D artist, you know how time-consuming it can be to create detailed models from scratch. But with Backflip AI, you can skip the heavy lifting and let the AI do the work for you. All you need to do is upload an image or type in a text prompt, and the tool will generate a 3D model for you. It's fast, reliable, and honestly, a lot of fun to use. Alright, let's dive into how it works. First, head over to the Backflip AI website and click on Get Started. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up easily. I used my Google account, so it was super quick. Once you have logged in, you will see the dashboard. From there, click on Start Creating and you will be taken to the interface where the magic happens. You can import an image or sketch that you want to turn into a 3D model. And just like that, the AI generated a 3D model of the reporter. It's not perfect, but something created in seconds. It's pretty impressive. You can then refine the model, make adjustments, or even export it for 3D printing. Now let's talk about the pricing. Backflip AI offers a free trial, which gives you a limited number of credits to play around with. For example, generating a 3D model costs 40 credits, while creating image variations costs 15 credits. If you are serious about using this tool, there are paid plans starting at $20 a month, which gives you more credits and access to additional features. I tried creating a few different models during my trial. While the results were not always perfect, especially with more complex designs like humans, it's still an incredibly powerful tool. For simpler objects or when you need a quick 3D model, it's a huge time saver. So, is Backflip AI worth it? If you are someone who frequently needs 3D models for projects, I would say absolutely. It's not perfect yet, but it's constantly improving, and the potential is huge. Plus, it's just really cool to see your ideas come to life so quickly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.